My name is Andrea Cox, and I'm an East County resident. Multnomah County came out today through a program for disability services to install an air conditioning unit for our little one. Especially with a child with special needs, it made it harder because his days were harder, and he already struggles so much every day that any extra struggle that we can remove is just another bonus for us.
This year we have 1,000 air conditioning units that we're hoping to get into the homes of those most in need. This can be life-changing. Many of the folks last summer who experienced extreme difficulties during the heat dome did not have air conditioning.
I was excited that it was another service that they were providing, and how quickly it was provided was mind-blowing.
You can set it for a timer, which is, I know, close the door, it's gonna be freezing in here. You're gonna love it.
I feel very blessed to get our needs met. Ask if there's a service, ask for help, reach out, whether it be a neighbor or an organization, and look for help, because you don't know that resources could be out there that you're unaware of, because I was unaware.